Today we coming back to the previous post featuring high EUV imaging from IMEC High NA EUV 0.55 NA. As we mentioned in previous post, feature extraction and segmentation were performed without image enhancement, EIQ, and denoising. It is interesting to see if we could significantly reduce the dose of CDSEM exposure, fewer frames, less primary beam current, lower accelerated voltage, to achieve acceptable level of detection and segmentation. Simply speaking, can we damage the structures less and still measure them, right? So this experiment includes significant level of noise injection to original images, simulating low-dosage CDSEM exposure, about 2 to 4 frames. Due to the fact that recipe setup is almost identical, excluding EIQ and denoising layers which should be activated in this case, we could directly compare outputs from two cases, POR signal and noisy signal, to perform correlation study and show capability of Unimeasure Hub SW to handle low-dose case. Per visual observation, our low SNR images are measured in stable and robust manner due to addition of denoising module. Attempts to measure per POR setup without denoising failed spectacularly. 5 dB SNR is not allowing stable edge detection. Unimeasure Hub software has possibility not just detect low SNR advanced shapes, but make them fully separable to perform stable measurement with EIQ and denoising. As you could see, we could successfully extract contour of any shape by any angle to detect different features shared the same bounding box. Most OEMs software require full bounding box separation. Our GSA, general segmentation algorithms, capable to deal with various shapes and forms. Unique setups of GSA, supported by layers of image enhancement and denoising, making measurement of low SNR shapes possible. Average time for measurement stays about 500 milliseconds for segmentation, including update GUI and PR. Python timing is just above 100 milliseconds due to batch approach. Yes, we are speaking about practical importance of this case, as a demonstration of capabilities of Unimeasure Hub to treat and measure almost any shaped segments through GSA approach. Here we have correlation data for perimeter and area of high SNR and low SNR imaging. Quite clear that CDSEM significant dose reduction still could ensure high detection and robust segmentation if you are working with Unimeasure Hub SW package. Do not kill your chips to comply with CSEM OEM manufacturers' SNR limits. Give them a chance. Thank you for attention.